Well, that escalated quickly. A little too quick. Well, as you can see, it wasn't just a wiring issue we had going on here. I had the lights on. I shut that light off. Hold on a second. Where's that light? There we go. Kill light. Oh, it's not blinding me. But anyway, it wasn't just a wiring issue, which was right back here in the harness. No, we had low compression on the one cylinder. I believe it's a failing head gasket. So, it ripped apart. Great, fun. And I just got done getting this power steering pulley off. Yeah, right here. Gotta love whichever engineer decided that we're going to use a press fit pulley. You know, instead of having holes around here, which press fit pulley's fine. You know, put some holes around here so you can get to the bolts behind it and remove the pump without having to pull the pulley. So whichever engineer decided to design this, stop on over, man. I got a couple words for you, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Anyway, as you can see, we have at least one cylinder head off. I should get my piece of cardboard or something here to kneel on. I think I'm going to. Slipping, falling, tripping. I need me a mat to sit on. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Good use for cardboard. Yeah. Come on, get in there. There we go. Give me a sip of tea. Whoa. Get back here. That's terrible for you. We got one cylinder head off. Yeah. I've had it sitting out here for about a week. Ripped it apart last weekend, partially. And here we stand. And this has been ripped apart before. And I could tell that from, I think it's on the intake manifold. You can see previous sanding marks as I cleaned up the surface, and it looks like they used a wire wheel. But I pulled the valves out. Well, I pulled one valve out. Because I figured it was a burnt exhaust valve, but so anyway, we're gonna clean up the valves, clean up the head. Yeah, got me some gas, my usual. Works pretty good for dissolving the grease. About the best thing you can use, and it's cheaper than a can of brake clean. So I have my little nitro gloves on, which I'm going to switch around for a pair of vinyl reusable gloves to hold up a little better in the gas. And clean these up, clean the head up. I'm probably going to pull the intake valve as well, and I'm going to reseat both of them. And put this side back together. Rip the other side off because I had to get that pulley off. Do the same thing. And probably, I don't know if I'll reseat all of them, but I'm going to change the valve seals in them anyway. Storm. Yep. Hey, that pretty sweet S10 project. Don't have it in here. As you can see, it's out barn. It's actually out driving around. I think we got it inspected this week. I didn't do a finished video on it. And what I found out with it, after I fixed the wiring issue, and then I went and checked the compression out. And I can't remember if I showed you that or not. Two cylinders, one of them was like 165, the other one was like 170. That was actually 2.4. And I checked number 6 because they said when he had got it checked before, it was a little low. He didn't know the number because the shop didn't tell him. Checked that one, nothing, 0, nada. Didn't have any compression. All right. Shoot some oil down the cylinder, check her again because it'll tell you if the rings are bad. Still nothing. Ripped it apart. I'm sure you've seen that. And here's what I found out. I went to relap the valves, and I don't know if you can see this, but here's the exhaust valve that was in it. This is just a brand new intake valve, but for reference purposes, if you can see that exhaust valve's bent a little bit. Well, it ain't gonna seal like that. And I can show you here, because I tried relapping it in because I couldn't see it right out the get-go. Now I'm gonna focus in. I'm gonna focus in. Because I tried relapping it a little bit, and right here, one little spot. That is all that wanted to clean up. So it's like, oh, there's the problem. How it got bent? Not a clue. I don't know if you over revved it or if it detonated really bad when, because I initially thought, okay, it's a burnt valve. It's gonna be missing a chip off of it. No, so I don't know if it over revved or when that wiring issue went bad and it was starving for fuel that it detonated real bad and bent the exhaust valve. So we relapped all the valves, all new valve seals, the whole 9 yards, new head gaskets, intake gaskets, and she's out the door. Knock on some wood. Hopefully it's good and it stays good for a while. So that's the update on the S10. And I'm sure I'll clip in the rest of the video here in the beginning. So, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Now time to get back to, oh, that lovely beast. Bent the axle in the front. That's why the wheel ain't sitting straight. Bent the blade and messed up the spindle. So, yay. I got tearing to that quick. So, thanks for watching.